English, Art Zlobin.
Hello everyone. Today we will paint a landscape with haystacks using oil paints. To begin with, we, as always, draw what we will draw. Paint the design with a blue paintbrush. We draw the sky, horizon and field with hay. When we have prepared the drawing of our landscape, only after that we begin to paint with paints. I always start from the sky, so that there are no dirty paints. Please be patient, and watch my video to the end. Don't forget to like, and leave your comments at the end of the video. And we continue. Paint the sky blue and ultramarine. Closer to the horizon, add ochre paint. Then we paint the clouds, where in the shadow we add lilac. Add a slightly lemon yellow tint to the lid areas of the clouds. When going to paint a landscape, always choose an interesting and simple landscape. It will be easier for you to write. In the background, brush strokes of trees are drawn, which are closer to the horizon. I painted in cold colors. The farther from us, the colder. Next, I write the edge of the forest. Use bright green, and add ultramarine for a cooler shade. I write all this in general terms at the beginning. Prepared background for a field with hay. I also write in a generalized color field. We have it lit by the sun, so it will be lighter and warmer. We use greens with more yellow and ochre colors. Unforgettable. When I drew the field, we started to draw the forest in more volume. Increase the lighting and shadows of the trees. We write so that the forest is in the far back. Use smaller brushes for this. We continue further. We begin to write our field with haystacks. Ochre paint is used. On the field itself, we pass areas with ochre, in order to show the ground through the grass. Writing a haystack in brown and slightly blue paint. In the background, draw haystacks in a lighter tone. The haystack is darker in the foreground. Draw shadow on one side of the haystack. Use a small brush to paint curls of grass on the haystack. How to paint a sunlit place with a haystack. Draw the field in the foreground with thick strokes and light colors. This will show the grass. In more detail, in the foreground, write the grass. Where in the grass is the shadow we must write. Our work is coming to an end. It remains in the foreground to write more grass. Thanks for watching this video to the end. Be sure to like and write your comments. Be sure to subscribe if you are not subscribed to my channel yet. On the channel, you will learn the basics of the file. I wish you good health, and see you again on my channel.